Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Wiper gearbox replacement, a step-by-step guide for DIY enthusiasts. Ever been caught in a downpour only to find your windshield wipers don't work properly? The problem might be your wiper gearbox. It may seem small, but this part is crucial for visibility and safety during bad weather. Signs of a failing wiper gearbox can include slow-moving wipers, unusual noises, or wipers stopping mid-swipe. Replacing it isn't as hard as you might think. In this video, you'll learn the steps to tackle this DIY task, saving you money and ensuring you stay safe on the road. Understanding the wiper gearbox. Ever wondered what keeps your windshield wipers running smoothly? It's the wiper gearbox at play. Let's break down what a wiper gearbox is and why it's essential for your car. What is a wiper gearbox? A wiper gearbox is a vital part of your vehicle's wiper system. It's a small but powerful component that converts the motor's high-speed rotations into the slower, back-and-forth motion of the wiper blades. Think of it as the middleman between the wiper motor and the wiper arms. The gearbox doesn't just slow things down, it also controls the angles at which the wipers move. This ensures they cover the right areas of your windshield, clearing away rain, snow, and debris efficiently. Without the gearbox, your wipers would move too fast, potentially causing damage or leaving parts of the windshield unclear. Importance of a functional wiper gearbox. So, why is having a functional wiper gearbox so important? Imagine driving in heavy rain without fully operational wipers. Scary, right? A wiper gearbox that works correctly is crucial for safe driving, especially in bad weather. Visibility. A good gearbox ensures the wipers swipe at the correct speed and angle, giving you a clear view of the road. Safety. Faulty wipers can be a major hazard, leading to accidents. A proper gearbox helps avoid such risks. Longevity. A well-maintained gearbox ensures your wiper system lasts longer, saving you money on repairs. Comfort. Smooth, quiet wipers make for a more pleasant driving experience. When the gearbox isn't working right, you'll notice issues like slow-moving wipers, odd noises, or wipers that stop midway. Catching these signs early and replacing the gearbox can keep you safe and your car in tip-top shape. By understanding your wiper gearbox, you can see how this small part plays a significant role in your driving safety and comfort. Keep your eyes peeled for any signs of trouble and address them promptly to ensure your trips remain smooth and safe. Signs your wiper gearbox needs replacement. Your car's wiper gearbox is crucial for clear visibility in bad weather. Knowing the warning signs of a failing gearbox can help you replace it before it becomes a bigger problem. Let's look at the key symptoms you should watch for. Unusual noises. One of the first signs that your wiper gearbox might be failing is unusual noises. These sounds could be a warning that something is wrong. Here's what to listen for. Grinding. If you hear a grinding noise when your wipers are on, that's a red flag. It could mean the gears inside the gearbox are worn out. Clicking. Clicking sounds might indicate that the gears are skipping teeth or not fully engaging. Squeaking. While squeaking can sometimes be due to dry wiper blades, if it persists, the gearbox might be the culprit. Pay attention to these noises, as catching them early can save you from bigger problems down the road. Irregular wiper movement. Another clear sign of a failing wiper gearbox is irregular or erratic wiper movement. This is more than just an annoyance, it's a real safety hazard. Here's what this might look like. Stuttering. Your wipers might move in a jerky, stop-and-start fashion, instead of a smooth motion. Inconsistent speed. The wipers could speed up or slow down without any input from you. Mid-swipe stops. Sometimes, the wipers may stop moving altogether, only to start up again a moment later. If your wipers aren't moving smoothly, it's likely due to issues within the gearbox. Wipers not moving. One of the most obvious signs that your wiper gearbox needs replacement is when the wipers stop moving altogether. This is usually a sign that the gearbox has entirely failed. Here's what to consider. Complete halt. If you turn on your wipers and they don't move at all, the gearbox may have seized up. Motor sound. You might still hear the wiper motor running, but the wipers don't move. This indicates the motor is fine, but the gearbox isn't transmitting the motion. When your wipers stop working, it's not just annoying, it's dangerous. It's crucial to replace the gearbox quickly to ensure you can drive safely in any weather. By recognizing these signs early on, you can avoid unsafe driving conditions and potentially costly repairs. Keep an ear out for unusual noises, and an eye on how your wipers move. When they stop working entirely, it's time to take action. Fixing or replacing your wiper gearbox will keep you safe and your windshield clear. Preparing for wiper gearbox replacement. Before diving into the actual replacement of your wiper gearbox, it's crucial to prepare yourself. Preparation makes the job faster and ensures you do it safely. Here's how you can set yourself up for success. Gathering necessary tools. You'll need a few essential tools and supplies to replace your wiper gearbox. Having everything on hand beforehand can save you from unnecessary frustration. Here's a checklist to get you started. Screwdrivers. Both flathead and Phillips screwdrivers for removing various screws and clips. Socket set. A set with different socket sizes to handle bolts and nuts. Wrench set. To help loosen and tighten bolts. Pliers. Needle nose pliers can be especially useful. Replacement gearbox. Ensure you have the right model for your car. Gloves. To protect your hands. Safety glasses. To protect your eyes from debris. Lubricant. To ease the installation process. Rags or towels. For cleaning up any dirt or grease. Lay out all your tools in an organized manner. This will help you find what you need quickly and keep the process moving smoothly. That's it for part 1. We've successfully removed the old wiper gearbox. Stay tuned for part 2. Please remember to comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.